Hello guys, I'm gonna do a yesterday trading recap for some of my trades. I'm not gonna do for all my trades because it's gonna be a quite long recap. So basically, I'm gonna go only for the main trades what I took yesterday, just for you to understand how I trade and why did I took the trade. So let me show you. So this is the recording from yesterday. This is the chart, the gold chart. Okay, so at this level, I entered the short on gold. Okay, as you can see, I put the TP, I moved the TP lower. The TP is set automatically because of the default settings of the app. So the main reason I took the trades was because of the 1 hour chart and because of the daily chart. So if we look at the daily chart, as I said 2 days ago, that the daily chart looks very bearish. We are at the around at the bottom of the range, but we should expect it to go lower. So this is the daily chart. Okay, so I expected yesterday that to see a pullback, a pushback to the top upside, only just for a pullback, and then to drop further down to go for these lows on the left and probably lower. So the main reason I entered it was the 1 hour candle. So 1 hour candle, I expected this to close bearish, and I entered at the with the 5 minutes prior to the market open. But I think I closed something from it. Uh, I'm not sure. Let's see. So let's watch it. Okay, I move the TP lower. Probably I already should have taken half down because I always take half down. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart. So now we have the market open. So at this level, I should already take half down. Yes, I took half down. So I closed everything because I was afraid that because we are in the market, we had the market open, and I was afraid that the 15-minute candle can switch, go for the highs on the left and then to go to the downside. This is the reason why I got out. But I think I re-entered again. So I re-entered again for it to continue down. Yes, I re-entered again. Yes, this is 1 minute chart. Yes, as you can see. So I already got $183 in profit. I closed halves before in the first trade, and I still have $140. So I took another half, $243 on gold. So at this level, I think I have to take another half. So yes, as you can see, as you can notice up here, I have two shorts on NQ. This means I have 5 micros on NQ, yeah? So on the video is not switching the charts, but I will show you why and where did I took the shorts on NQ. So the short on NQ yesterday was mainly in this first minute. Yes, this is the 1 minute chart, and I got in a short exactly when this 1 minute switched red from green to red. When switched the color, I entered around here and I got out at the bottom of the range. So basically, I got around 30 points mm, from 5 micros. So let's watch it. Okay, okay. So uh, currently, I have $243 in profit, as you can see, but I got in another buy at this level. I was expecting it because this is the moment when the 5 minute closed, the 5 minute candle closed. As you can see, this was exactly the moment when the 5 minute closed, this 5 minute, and I expected another leg to the downside, yes. But I got the buyers because they defended the low of the range. This is a small, let's say a mini range. So as you can see, the bearish candles have a small volume candle, but the bullish has a bigger volume, as you can see. So basically, this means that we get back in the range and the buyers defend, because usually at the bottoms or at the tops of the ranges, buyers or sellers defend the bottom or at the top, and you can see the volume spike in the opposite direction. So, okay. Okay, so I got out with a loss. I gave around 100 something, like, I don't know. I tried to take another short. I gave back. So basically I'm around break even for S today, around $15 in profit. So at this level, I'm gonna get in a short because of the two reasons. So let me explain you. So the reason why I took a short, it was mainly for two reasons. This 1 minute closure had a small volume candle and also closed inside of the previous 1 minute candle. So tells me that the next minute is gonna go for the previous minute candle, or at least will go further down because of first sign is the volume, and also the body of the candle and the wick is bigger. We should see a bigger volume here, but the volume is low, and this means only that the buyers are exhausted and we're going for the lower levels. So I got in a short right at this level. I probably added at this level, and I probably added around these levels. Let's see. Okay, yes, I added shorts. I took half downs. I always take half downs. Okay, okay. So here I'm gonna add one more short because I think it can go lower. But the main reason why I was afraid it was because of this wick on the left. This is probably the risk of the double bottom. Okay. Yes, so I got out because I was scared that it could be a double bottom. Okay, let's see. So I got out once the next 1 minute turned bullish and broke the previous high of the 1 minute. So as you can see, this 1 minute looks very bearish, yeah? And it has a bigger body than the previous one here. But the volume is smaller, yes? And this what tells me? It tells me that the next one, I should either to see a bigger volume in it or it turned to the upside. So this was the main reason I got out from this trade, because I expected the next one to go to the upside. So let's watch my further trades. Okay, so I got back in a short right at this level because first of this 5 minute closure bearish, and also because of this 15-minute closure at the bottom of this range. So I was expecting that the next 1 minute will turn bearish and go further down for the 15-minute low. This was the main reason for this trade. Okay, let's watch it. Okay. So I took already half downs. I'm $160 in profit. Okay. So I closed everything because I was afraid the low from the left, it could be a double bottom. I am always very careful at the tops or the bottoms. So you can see me very, okay. So the reason for this trade, so I took a short right at this, when this 1 minute candle closed, because these type of candles, of 1 minute candles, when they close at the top or at the bottoms, the next one usually break its lows and it goes further down. So basically, I was expecting that the next 1 minute, which was minute 47, will break the low from the left. And usually, when people think this is double bottoms, the movement of this type of candles usually break very, very fast. And this is the reason what you see it spike because it got the stops out. So let's watch it. So as you can see, the price of it is moving very, very fast. Yeah, you see, less than a second. You saw how fast this moved. So this is the reason, the main reason why it moved so fast because of the stop losses below these levels. Usually people who try to take a buy here put their stops below, and people who want to who enter the buys here, they have their losses around these levels below a bit. So I'm $154 in profit at the moment. Okay. So I missed this moved. So these are the main trades, what I wanted you to show or to explain uh, about for you to understand why did I trade it and how I trade it. Because later, if we're going further in a day, then I took a bunch of trades. Okay, and I'm not gonna explain each trade. I'm $484. So by the end of the day, I have $522 in profit. Uh, yeah, I explained you mainly the main trades or at the beginning of the trading day, the main trades, why did I took the buys, why did I took the shorts, for you to understand the main reason uh, of the type of setups or type of trades I take. So mainly I'm trading the price action, but I also use the volume for me to be able to decide to close the trade, to keep in the sell direction, in the buy direction. I also use the level two because level two shows me a lot, especially for the breakout trades. Uh, for the breakout trades, I should see if on buy side, I show a lot of buying pressure to the upside, and I also a lot of buying orders to. I should see a lot of ask orders for it to break that, but also the bid size also should be present. So thank you guys for watching, and this is everything for today. Tomorrow I will post a video about how to identify a range early, just not to get caught in it. So wait for tomorrow video. Thank you guys, and if you like the content and if you want to see more of it, please subscribe and follow me. Thank you.